Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be installing this beautiful wig from Top Normantic Hair from start to finish. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then please keep watching.
Okay, this is the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick.
So this wig is a 13x4 T-part wig. This is my first time seeing a T-part wig. I did not know what it was until I got this wig, and I actually wish I did not get this. But it's okay, we have it, so we made it work. And there was nothing wrong with the hair at all. It was actually beautifully constructed, no shedding, the hair was good quality. But I did want a side part. That was the vision I had for this hair. Anyways, let's move on with the install. So I did not bleach the lace for this wig. I just used my foundation powder and I went over the lace. Then I measured the wig to my head, and then I just cut off the excess ear tabs at the end.
I'm just being honest, I'm still in the moment. Would you mind if I still love you? Would you mind if things don't last? Would you mind if I hold on to you solid
Next, I take my Got2b Insta Hold spray. This is going to be a glueless install. So I just spray it around the perimeter of my hair. And to make it tacky, I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cold setting for a few seconds.
up all night, can't let go, won't stop trying, need you to know, it's worth the fight, if I get back home, hope you don't mind if I wait, would you mind if I wait right, really wanna love you, really only yours, even if it don't last forever, I wanna let you know, I really have something special. Try to let it go. I'm just being honest, still in the moment. Would you mind if I still love?
So despite the name of this spray, I actually did not find that it was holding on to the lace too well. So I pulled some hairs at the front, what would be the baby hairs, and I sprayed around the perimeter one more time, and then I secured it with a band for a couple of minutes just so it could flatten and stay in place. Then I applied some hair wax all over the hair just to decrease the frizziness, and then I used a hot comb on the hair just to flatten it out.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
I took my Eco Styler gel that I was going to use to lay the edges, and then I realized I forgot to cut the lace. So now I'm going in and I'm just cutting some sections in the lace just to make it easier, and then I'm just going to cut it with a blade. Putting some of my powdered foundation along the edges of the lace to conceal it some more. Then I'm going to pull some strands of hair on the sides to give myself some edges.
and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
said before, initially I had intended to do a side part look with this wig, but because there wasn't enough parting space, I had to opt for a middle part. So I just went in with my hair wax again before I used my hot comb to slick the sides. And then I decided for a look like this, and because of the length of this wig, I thought some pin curls would be really, really nice. So here's the final look. This hair is very beautiful. Was pretty easy to apply, and the pin curls does it justice. So I wish I could have done a middle part. Honestly, that's what I had planned for this wig to begin with. But then the parting space was not big enough. But maybe I can do a little manipulation. Something like this. Not bad. So yeah, you can wear it as a middle part. Again, this is a T part. So the lace only goes through here and a little bit on the front. So if you want to do a side part, you kind of just have to do it like this, but it's still going to be a middle part. But yeah, here's the final look. It's beautiful, honestly. It's beautiful. The color has grown on me. I think I like it. And yeah, and the pin curls are perfect for a short hairstyle like this. So if you enjoyed today's hairstyle, today's tutorial, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this hairstyle and this look as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I am leaving you with a gift, peace of mind and heart. And the peace I give is a gift that the world cannot give. So don't be troubled or afraid. John chapter 14, verses 27.